The robotics got started because Dr. Cavazos really wants to push for every elementary school here in Harlingen to have a robotics team of some sort. We were one of the ones that decided that we would give it a try. So I think we got started sometime in probably close to November when we actually got started. But considering the fact that we got a late start, I think our kids are doing fairly well. Well, we're teaching them about simple machines and how to work as a team, how to collaborate, and they are working with Legos. We only have the junior FLL team here at Travis. We're hoping to expand for next year, that we'll have teams for the FLL. But for the junior FLL teams, the students have to create some type of model based on the theme that they're given for the year. This year's theme for the junior FLL is Trash Wise, and so the students have to create a model on what they think that means to them. Our students, I think, have decided to do something with how to recycle the batteries, or how are the batteries being recycled. So they have to create a model, and then they have to also create a show me poster. We're hoping that these students will stay in the robotics club because it is part of the STEMS initiative, and most of our students in the robotics team are interested in engineering. So we have in our ILC, we have our library media specialist, Ms. Peña, and she's really pushing for the STEMs. She has a maker space that she has started with the Legos, and she has ordered a lot of kits, and so she does that with all the students here at Travis. So based on that, we're hoping that that gives a push to more kids wanting to join the robotics team here at Travis Elementary. It's a very great program. It's a national thing, and so the kids have to learn how to collaborate and work as a team. There has to be analytical thinking. It really pushes for that analytical thinking. They have to learn how to design and follow the steps of how an engineer designs. The kids, a lot of kids, when we first got them, they didn't quite understand how this was gonna work. You know, they kept thinking, oh, it's a club, it's a club. Well, yes, it's a club, but I think it's a little bit more than a club, because this is a type of organization where the kids can continue to stay with it, and they can continue with this into middle school and into high school. And if they continue going through the process of staying in the robotics team, you know, they do offer scholarships.
I like the robotics club because I get to help my friends building stuff with Legos.
I like the robotics club because it's fun and I learn a lot about building, and I like to build with Legos. I learned a lot about the batteries and about like how much we use simple machines, and I didn't realize how much we used them.
I'm hoping that the kids that are in robotics and will join in the future get the opportunity to work as a team, to create, to design together. This is not a type of club that somebody does one thing or so on. This is teamwork, and they have to collaborate together. I'm hoping that the grant will be able to purchase other kits with it. Maybe it could be used for travel money to go see other qualifying competitions, or maybe ourselves enter a competition. I'm also hoping that we can get the motorized parts, and the batteries tend to be the most expensive parts, so hopefully we could get those parts as well. We currently have 6 students. We have a second grader, and the other 5 are third graders. We're hoping to expand with maybe upcoming first graders into second, and then hopefully continuing with the older ones in the FLL. My personal opinion, it's an interesting club that these kids can join, because they get to work as a team, and these kids are putting their brains together and creating something, designing something. So it's really interesting. After you see them work for a while, they come together and design something, and they're creating at the moment.